Hello everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well today, whether it's morning or night for you. It's Sacha again here, and today in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys, whether it's a teen or young adult, how to build great spending habits at an early age. And so yeah, let's get into it. So what is essentially the importance of this? The importance of this is obviously to make your future easier. So what you are going to be doing by building better spending habits, essentially making your future life easier. And we're going to talk about that shortly. Some of the topics that we're going to cover in this video include comparing and contrasting assets and liabilities and how you can make your money work for you. The importance of credit cards and credit card spending and why it's important to get started at a young age. And we're going to be talking about the bigger picture and the importance of spending your money wisely. So first, let's talk about assets and liabilities. So as you can see from the diagram here, essentially, assets put money back in your pocket, liabilities take money out of your pocket. So it's pretty simple. So now let me give you guys a couple examples. For example, we could say investing money in stocks could be an asset. Investing your money in houses like real estate could be an asset. Investing your money in a business could be an asset. These things, all three of these items that is listed, have the potential to bring you a greater return than your initial investment. What is liability now? Liability is something like a car, food, really like anything in that sort of category, like something that's going to depreciate over time, that is essentially it's depreciating in value, so you're losing money from that investment or liability, whatever you want to call it. So that's the main difference in assets and liabilities, and it's really important to be able to understand and decide whether you are making a good purchase or not, and whether it's going to help you in the future or harm you financially. So now let's talk about the importance of credit card spending and why it's important to obtain a credit card at an early age. It would be important, like teenage years would be pretty good, I'd say. First of all, would be to develop a great credit score. So as you may know, a good credit score, here I'll show you the diagram now. So credit scores depend. It's essentially a number that determines how good you are at paying back your credit. So essentially, when you start early and you just only spend you get a credit card, you spend under your name, you spend $30 a month on it, and you pay it back on time every single time, you're going to be developing a better credit score for yourself for your future for when you want to do bigger things, because you're essentially a trustworthy customer to the bank that you're who's providing you your money for your credit card. And as you continue to do that, your credit score will continue to increase, and you will be within this excellent range. And later on, when you want future loans, you want to build a business, it'll be easy for you because people with better credit have an easier time to get larger loans, and that's going to help you tremendously when you're in need of money and you want to start something. And it'll also help you get a larger line of credit as well. And so what is the bigger picture of this, guys? So let's think about this. What would a Coke with every burger cost you at the end of the year? So if we were to do the math, let's say, or essentially not only a burger, like any meal, okay? A Coke, I'm sure like some of you guys eat Coke, maybe drink it maybe once a day, maybe once a week. But we'll say that, well, actually we'll find this out right now. Okay guys, so let's say we're an individual that really likes Coke, for example, or any other drink really, other than water, that costs money, okay? So let's say that this Coke can, with every meal, is going to, or once a day at least, will cost $2 per can. And so if we're having this once a day, so 2 times 365 is over $700. So this is almost $1,000, guys, that we are spending on Cokes with our meal every single year. So if we think about this in the bigger picture, this money could be going towards investments and put it into assets, or it could be we can turn our money to be working for us instead of. Now, opposed to spending over $700 a year on Coke alone, or really any other drinks or anything, the bigger picture thing about it, guys, to go through your meal, we could be using this money to invest it into assets that could work for us, guys, as passive income. And it's really important to understand this concept because really as teenagers we like to spend money on useless things, but what's really important now is to understand, have some financial literacy, so you can have an easier future for yourself. And the more money you invest now, the better it'll be for you in the future. So yeah, I hope this is able to teach you guys something, and hope you enjoyed it. Thank you guys. Have a nice rest of your day.